Hello everyone, I'm back again. Doing my half marathon training, running here in the wet, and it's raining a lot. It's like crazy. There's like an orange rainfall warning, and look at the river. Like, this is not normal, like for Alouette River to be filled that much, and it's just raining crazy. Like, I don't know why I'm doing this, but it's myself trying to overcome my mental weakness and just keep pushing through the rain. And it's very, very wet, but I have to keep going to build endurance for my half marathon, because you never know what kind of weather there's gonna be on the marathon race day. So I have to be prepared for anything. And yeah guys, that's basically it. I'm gonna continue my run.